Designed, engineered and tested for GM vehicles. Precise fit for ease of installation. For proper installation, locate your nearest GM dealer, independent service center, or body shop. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Maintain your Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac vehicle with a genuine GM parts differential cover gasket. Only genuine GM parts are tested to meet GM original equipment standards and are designed specifically to fit your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for my 2015 Chevy Silverado. Perfect fit, easy to install. Probably could have used the old one, but you have to take it off anyway, so go with a new one.